Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to select multiple files on Mac. So in order to select multiple files, what you can do is you open the file or folder that you want to select. Now, for example, I have this digital icons and I want to select multiple files and drag and drop. So what I can do is I can press the command key on the keyboard, and then I can select multiple files here by pressing the command key. So I have hold the command key and I have selected multiple files. So I can simply just drag and drop those files and it will only move that particular selected files. Similarly, if I want to select a list of files, then what I can do is I can just select one particular file. Let's say I want to select the file from downloads to pencil. So what I can do is I can select the download file, hold the shift key on my keyboard, and from here I can just select to pencil file and it will automatically select all the files in between. Now just in case if I want to deselect any particular file in this, let's say I do not want to select the incognito, then what I can do is I can release the shift key and instead hold the command key here, and then I can select the incognito and it will deselect the incognito. So this way I can use both the command button and the shift button on my keyboard to select and deselect multiple files. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.